Hi my beauties, welcome back. If you don't know me, my name is Pallavi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be recreating Mouni Roy's Nagin look. And how I achieved this look, if you wanna know, please keep on watching. Here's Mouni Roy is having a very bold dark brows, which I don't. So for that, I'm gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And its shade, I'm gonna be listing it down below. Now to conceal my eyelids, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. To blend this concealer out, I'm taking a small beauty blender and dabbing it all over my eyelid. To set it in place, I'm using Mercier's loose powder and setting my eyelids. And now I'm taking a Maybelline gel liner to line my waterline. With the same gel eyeliner, I'm creating base to my shadow. I'm going to take it all the way to a little lower than my socket. So when I blend it with the blending brush to soften the edges, I can go just little higher to my socket. I don't have to spread it too much. To blend out this gel eyeliner, I'm gonna be using Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered palette and taking this black shade over here and blending out the edges and setting my gel liner that there should be no harsh lines. Now for my next shade, I'm taking henna and cocoa, mixing both together and applying it onto my crease to give a little bit of depth. With the help of a blending brush, I'm pushing the color out so it melts with my skin tone. So can you guys see how it diffused? It's darker on the lid, and as it moves outward, it becomes lighter and lighter. To get that intense bold eyeliner, I'm taking Sivanna Colors pen eyeliner and applying it and creating that intense bold eyeliner look. For my mascara, I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to curl my lashes on. My lashes are on now, and now I'm again using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to curl my own lashes with the falsies. To prime my face, I'm using WetnWild Photo Focus Primer. For that dewy finish to my face, today I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte+poreless foundation and applying it all over my face with the help of my finger. To blend this foundation out, I'm taking a damp beauty blender and dabbing it all over my face and blending out my foundation very nicely. For concealer, I'm again using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and applying it under my eyes and the area where I want to highlight my face. To blend this concealer out, I'm again using a damp beauty blender and blending out my concealer. To set my entire face, I'm again using Mercier's loose powder and setting my all face. To contour my face, I'm using WetnWild contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple. To blend this contour, I'm taking an angular brush and blending my contour. To bronze up my face, I'm using Sivanna Colors Ultimate Pro Contour Palette and taking this bronze shade and bronzing up my face. For my blush, I'm using Huda Beauty's Rose Gold Remastered Palette and taking this pink shade over here and applying it onto my cheeks. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm taking this black shade on a flat shader brush and applying it under my eyes to give that smoky look. To smudge out the black one, I'm taking henna and cocoa and blending out the black color on my lower lash line. To curl my lower lash line, I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara again and coat my lower lash line. highlight my face, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Amerzy highlighter and applying it onto my high points. For my lips today, I'm gonna be mixing two shades. One is from Lakme and second is from Manna Kadar, Goddess. To set everything in place, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And here's the final look, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you like, please give a thumbs up, share my videos with your friends, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. You can also find my socials down there. Do follow me on that as well, and I will see you with the brand new one. Bye.